Yo, what is up YouTube? Back again with the KDX 200. We have coolant. I found coolant in the crankcase. So I'm trying to figure out if it's the water pump, gear, gasket, whatever you call it. Again, the water pump impeller. Something to do with the water pump. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. So I definitely have oil. I mean, not oil. I definitely have coolant in the crankcase. So as you can see here, I have oil in the crankcase. Not oil. I keep saying oil. Coolant. So I'm getting coolant in the here, which is not good. I don't know why. A lot of people are saying it's the water pump. Something to do with the water pump shaft seal or something. I'm not too familiar with this particular engine. So if I can get some feedback from you KDX guys out there, what would cause antifreeze to get in to the crankcase? Let me know of all the ways that the coolant could enter into the crankcase, because these radiators are empty. I haven't really pulled the hose off yet, but I'm assuming they're low, or they might be empty. I'm not sure yet, but hopefully we can figure this out, because I would like to get this bike running soon. So basically, once I figure out where the coolant's getting in, then I can finish the rest of the bike. But I'm just debating on whether to pull this motor out. I do have to pull the motor, because I'd have to do that in order for me to paint the frame. The frame needs to be painted. So you can see here, it's scuffed up here a little bit. Needs some paint. So yeah, so any KDX people out there, let me know if you're familiar with this engine. Let me know what would cause engine coolant to end up in the crankcase. So I appreciate that. So yeah, keep me posted, let me know. Thanks. See you.